everyone, Lexi Wyer here in Wilmington, North Carolina with Blue Coast Realty, and today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite places in the Wilmington area, and that is downtown. Downtown's great because there's two really different sides. You have the historic downtown that's really rich in history and culture, and it's so beautiful. And then we have the northern part of downtown, which is very new, lots of new development, new construction, a lot of new things coming, so it's really exciting. So let's go take a look. The first thing you may notice about Wilmington's historic downtown skyline is the lack of high-rise buildings. The area's many church spires are the highest points and a nod to the historic importance in the area. Beautiful mansions line many of the streets and bear the names of the families who built them. Many have been converted into civic space, such as Bellamy Mansion. The intersection of Market and Water Street along the Cape Fear River is one of my very favorite parts of the city and steeped in local history. From here, you can stroll for miles down the scenic, award-winning Riverwalk, enjoying local restaurants and shops along the way. The Riverwalk is a favorite among tourists and locals, and you can't beat a Carolina sunset over the river. The City of Wilmington has taken great pride to conserve, restore, and commemorate the rich history in the downtown area. So that's going to wrap up the historical district, kind of on the southern side of the downtown area. Now let's go take a look at the north side and check out the new things that are going on. As recently as 5 years ago, the northern end of Wilmington's downtown was a patchwork of deteriorating buildings and overgrown vacant lots. That is changing in a very big way, with major new developments seemingly breaking ground every day. Luxury condominiums and apartments with retail space are revitalizing the north end of the Riverwalk. There are also some less conventional projects in the works, such as the Strand houseboat community, that will be adding to the city's unique character for decades to come. The skyline along the northern portion of downtown will be a mix of historic and modern, with major plans to add some world-class entertainment venues, such as the North Waterfront Park, featuring an outdoor amphitheater intended to draw some large acts to the area. The future looks bright for Wilmington's historic downtown.